From 1995, I found this recipe for layered orange bars. I've never heard of such a thing. I'm excited to make it. Are you ready? Let's go. You need 1/3 cup of butter, softened, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of grated orange peel. Man, this smells good. It says to cream the butter, the sugar, the teaspoon of orange rind until fluffy, like that. It says to gradually stir in 1 cup of flour until crumbly. And then it says to press evenly into a greased 8-inch pan. I'm going to use this 8-inch glass baking dish. It says bake at 350 for 15 minutes. So now you get to make the filling. You need 1 egg. I'm going to use the same bowl I used a minute ago. 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar. Beat that egg and that brown sugar together. Add in 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. What's the point? Another teaspoon of orange rind. You need 1/2 cup of flaked coconut, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Mix that all together, like that. Spread this over this crust, and then I have to put it back in the oven till brown and set in the center 18 to 20 minutes. Has anybody in your family ever made anything like this? These are called layered orange bars. I'd love to hear about it in the comments and how yours turned out. Man, this smells delicious. I can't wait to try these. I've never heard of anything like this. Have you? Like that. And now it's going back in the oven. Just when you think it's over, it's not. There's an orange glaze to put on it. It's on the back of this. So I'll go ahead and make this orange glaze. 2/3 cup of powdered sugar, confectionery sugar, as my grandma used to call it, confectionary's sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of orange rind. Again, I'm just going to eyeball this. It says 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of orange juice. I'm just going to start with 1 tablespoon. A little bit more. There's the glaze. Fresh out of the oven. It says to drizzle that over the warm cookies. They're calling these cookies. Okay, it's time to take a taste of this. You know, somebody left a comment that they didn't, that day that I made the Coca-Cola cake, I didn't show myself actually put it in my mouth. And they said that they didn't think that I really tasted it. Well, I also have had people say, ooh, she showed us in her mouth. So I try not to do that. But here, this is just for you. Watch. It's in my mouth. You saw it. So these are really chewy. And that little, it's like a shortbread there on the bottom. That's really, really good. You can really taste the orange in it. I would give that a great big, make that. Yum. As always, you can find the full recipe in the comments as well as in the video description. Thanks for watching.